everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset. I've actually never done a Sunday reset on my channel, which is so surprising because I've done so many reset videos. I've actually never done a Sunday reset. I'm really in need of a good reset, so I thought this would be a perfect time to film my Sunday reset. I'm going to be deep cleaning, planning, prepping for the week, some self-care and beauty maintenance, just all the things I like to do before a new week begins. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, so I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below what's in your Sunday reset routine or just something you like to do to prepare for the next week. Make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emily.grace.26. And let's just get into the video. I know this is called a Sunday reset and I'm calling it a Sunday reset, but I don't actually do this on Sundays. Usually I'll do this on like Saturdays. For SEO purposes, I'm calling it a Sunday reset. Sometimes I'll do this on Sunday. I usually go to church Sunday mornings and I like to just take the rest of the Sunday to just kind of relax and chill. Typically I'll do this on like Saturdays, or I'll just kind of break up all these things throughout the weekend. Like I'll kind of do the cleaning on Saturdays and then I'll do the planning and self-care on Sundays. Sometimes I like to do it all in one day. It really just depends on my weekend and kind of what the previous week looks like. I do like to do these things to kind of prep for the week. Otherwise, I just feel like my life is not together and I feel so disorganized during the week. You don't always have to do all these things like in one day. Sometimes I'll kind of even just do them throughout the week, like clean my bathroom one day, clean my kitchen one day. If you guys are needing some inspiration for your weekly reset, if you're just needing some motivation to actually do your weekly reset, hopefully this is helpful. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just get into it. I'm just gonna make a coffee and some breakfast to just kind of get started, get some energy. Made some coffee and had some brunch. Now I'm ready to get started on the reset. As you guys saw, I also took a supplement. It's an anxiety supplement from Rebalance Health. I'm actually partnering up on today's video, so thank you so much to Rebalance Health for sponsoring. This sponsorship is perfect timing because I've been really anxious this week and just like overthinking a ton. I really needed this supplement the past few days. For me, when I feel anxious about something, it just makes it really hard for me to be productive and motivated and get things done. I just spend so much energy and time worrying and overthinking. It just takes away from my everyday tasks, so I'm not being as productive with like cleaning or self-care or planning or whatever it is that I need to get done. I've absolutely been loving these. Rebalance is a wellness brand that helps people feel their best by supporting cortisol balance for better sleep, reduce stress, and improve daily function. I love that it's made with natural ingredients. As you guys probably know, cortisol is the stress hormone. When it's out of sync, everything is impacted. Our sleep, mood, focus, energy, it's all affected. I've definitely been feeling that myself lately, especially with the focus and energy. Rebalance uses a lozenge-based delivery system for fast absorption and sustained support, which is unlike most stress supplements. As you can see here, you take it morning, afternoon, and night. That's when your body needs it the most. There's also these little bottles that you can put them in for better storage. They have like a nice, fresh, minty flavor. For me, I just feel more balanced and relaxed after taking these. More of a sense of calm. Something that I love about Rebalance is that they make it really easy to take care of your stress levels naturally. This anxiety system from Rebalance is made with powerful, natural, and organic ingredients. It helps with stress release, a positive mood, sleep, energy, and brain function. Those are all things that I could use a little help with. Definitely check out Rebalance Health. I'm gonna have a link below at the very top of my description. You guys can shop the anxiety system and feel your best in today's stressful, tech-centered world. Now that I'm feeling like ready to start my day, I'm feeling less stressed. I like to start with cleaning and just do a good deep clean of my apartment. The rest of the reset just feels a lot more relaxing when I'm in a clean space. I always like to start with that and just kind of get the big thing out of the way. First things first, I'm gonna wash the sheets. bit later. My apartment is looking so clean. It feels so fresh. There is nothing better than a clean space. That's why I love doing a weekly reset, because then you just go into the week feeling so refreshed. The next thing I like to do is just to get mentally organized and do a little pre-planning for the week, especially since I kind of create my own schedule. I have to be really on top of like doing that. I just find if I don't really pre-plan out my weeks, then I can just go into the week like, oh, what I have to do, and then I waste time thinking about like, what do I need to do, what needs to get done. So it's just kind of easier to take some time over the weekend to just kind of plan out the week ahead, so that way when the day and the week starts, I already kind of know like what needs to get done. I'm a little crazy when it comes to planning. I already have the next few weeks, and honestly, like even the next month kind of planned out a little bit, kind of just like lightly planned out. So I like to go in and just kind of more detail plan out my week, if that makes sense. That's kind of what I like to do. Obviously this looks different based on your schedule. What I use is a digital calendar that kind of helps me really stay organized. I just have everything in there, like for a month view, for a more detailed week view. I just have everything in there, and it's super, super helpful. I did a whole video about that, so I'll link that here if you guys want to check it out. I kind of like to time block each day for the upcoming week, which might sound a little much for some people. And then I like to kind of write out any other things that I need to get done that week. Like anything that wouldn't be on my calendar, because my calendar is kind of just like film this video, edit this video. Any kind of like random little tasks, like call this person, email this person, book this appointment, like any kind of like random little things that wouldn't be on my digital calendar, I like to kind of just make a little list. I really like Notion for that. I kind of like to update my Notion on Sundays. I also have kind of my content calendar on my Notion where I can kind of plan out some content for the week. If there's anything I need to do with my finances, I like to kind of check in on that as well. Also like meal planning, making grocery lists, just kind of getting organized in all aspects of my life. As you can tell, it's getting dark. The next thing I like to do is just a little beauty maintenance, more specifically fake tanning. My fake tan usually looks so terrible by the end of the week. I usually like it to be fresh at the beginning of the week. When I'm filming, especially if I have like some fashion content, I just like it to be fresh for the week. I know a lot of people are the opposite and like it to be fresh for the weekend. I usually don't do anything on the weekend. This is an essential part of my weekly reset. I like to have a fresh tan going into a new week. I just really need to freshen up this fake tan. I actually did a whole winter glow up video and kind of went through my whole beauty maintenance routine, so I'll link that here if you guys want to check that out. This is like the main like beauty maintenance related thing that I like to do on a weekly basis, I guess. That's what I'm gonna do. Took a shower, scrubbed off my tan, probably looked the same as before because it was pretty much all gone. Now I'm just feeling so refreshed. I don't like to apply the self tan right away. I like to let my skin just kind of sit for a little bit. I'm actually gonna watch the finale of Beast Games and then I'm gonna apply the self tan here in a little bit. Here is my skin before. Here's the self tan. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it kind of looks a little bit green. It's giving alphabet. I use the Coco and Eve self tan. I'm gonna like sleep in it overnight. When I've used it previously, it looks really good when I rinse it off. I've got a fresh tan for the new week, so I can go into the week feeling tan and glowy. That is everything for my Sunday reset. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below the best part of your weekly reset routine. Thank you so much to Rebalance Health for sponsoring today's video. I took the morning one, the afternoon one, and now I'm gonna be taking the sleep one before I go to bed and unwind. Definitely make sure to check them out. Like I said, I'm gonna have them linked below at the very top of my description if you guys want to check out their anxiety system. I really hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday reset. I would love to know what's a part of your guys' weekly reset routine. I'd also like to know if you guys do your weekly reset all at once or if you guys kind of break yours apart like throughout the weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I'll see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.